Hello mga ka-Justin Bieber. At yan po si Amanda Bieber. Okay. Come on. So para sa lahat po natin to mga ka-Justin po natin. Hey yo! Okay, Mandy. That should be me.
Holding your hand,
That should be me.
buying you flowers.
That should be me.
I'm so sad.
That should be me.
Hallelujah.
That should be me. That should be me. That should be me. That should be me. Oh. That should be me. That
Hi,
should
guys.
be
So today,
me.
we're gonna be
Okay.
Justin Bieber.
Next.
So, yeah.
We're gonna be all Justin Bieber. So oh. Then. Oh.
I know you love me. I know
Now
you
you care. The shop is never, and I'll be there. You want my love, you want my car, but we will never, ever be apart. And we and Adam,
I wanna be
I
Adam.
understand. We just friends. What are you saying? You are my, oh, come on, baby, oh, like baby, oh, like baby, oh. I thought you would always be mine. And never ever, I'll be right here. You can be the right then. Oh,
Hands up, Gabriella.
just
Gabriella.
but if you
Hands
say
up, Gabriella.
like
La, la.
you holding
Back off,
on, and
Gabriella.
baby, you should know and love
back off,
yourself.
Gabriella, la,
And
la.
if you
Cause
think
who?
that I'm
Holding
holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Another time that we made you feel so and feel nothing at all. And I didn't wanna write the song, cause I don't anyone thinking I don't wanna hold back. Baby, you should know that. And I've been moving on, and I've been singing now. That's Justin Bieber. That's not Justin Bieber. Despacito. Despacito. Palabra de parporito. Perolito. Despacito. Pendolito. Para saber de galgorito. Pide de mantequilla. Oh, mamma mia. That should be me. Hold your head.